Texas Zone.
I'm with you. So in regards to like lead diversity, man, everybody kind of preaches, a little bit of everything is good.
Mm-hmm.
What are your percentages in regards to like what you're running? Like, are you running all instance, all Facebook, mortgage protection? Like, what does that look like for you on a week in, week out basis?
Man, honestly, I have never calculated it down to a percentage. I do have several states locked out with, several different vendors for both direct mail mortgage and direct mail final expense. And I still, to this day, supplement with the Facebook final expense vendors, whether it's Happy Agent, Game Time, Bang Bang, Leadrilla, on down the list. But the direct mail subscriptions, those are unpredictable. You never know when they're going to come in or if they're going to be available or not, in your area. Right? So you have to get comfortable working all the leads. Like today, all I'm dialing is 1-month-old internet life leads because I don't have any mortgage leads or any final expense direct mail in my area.
I'm with you. Yeah, dude.
So just kind of whatever you need to get a full schedule.
So, for a new agent, so man, I did 10 my first month, 21 my second month.
Mm-hmm.
At what point should you really start looking at locking out counties? I mean, would you say right away or,
Yeah, I would do it right away, man. I mean, because you can't control when it comes in, so that's going to put a little bit more pressure on you. And you want to, the pressure to perform a little bit, if it's channeled the right way, and it doesn't, scare you or hinder you, I think you should put a new agent on them right away. And the Facebook final expense direct mail, those are $36 a pop. And it's snail mail, right? So it's going to take about 4 weeks for those to start hitting your card. But it is, once you sign up for them, they're going to hit your card and you're not going to know when. So you got to be on top of everything with that. So I think that's a great system to implement right away.